Every click, every login, every online transaction, you're leaving a digital footprint. But what if someone's following it? Cyber threats are everywhere. Phishing scams, social engineering, identity theft. Are you prepared to protect yourself and your organization? Introducing the Certified Secure Computer User CSCU certification, powered by EC-Council and delivered by SysCare IT Solutions, an EC-Council-accredited training provider. This globally recognized certification does more than teach. It validates your skills, making you stand out in today's competitive job market. Gain formal recognition, increase your earning potential, and boost your career confidence. You'll master basics of computer security, detecting and preventing threats, securing operating systems, safe social media and email usage, protecting digital payments, legal and ethical responsibilities. Whether you're a student, employee, or just want to be cyber smart, CSCU is for you. Protect your data, advance your career, stay secure. Get certified with SysCare IT Solutions today. SysCare. Learn, certify, secure.